Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing. This time this is a MR600 TP-Link 4G plus dual band router. This is actually a 4G plus router, which is a specialty. This is how the packaging looks like, and this costed me around 9,400 rupees. This cover, this does come in this outer cover. And I have previously used this TP-Link products like this Archer C20i, and this is the Archer C6, which I use with my ACT FiberNet broadband. Now, the main reason I bought this is because being a 4G plus router, this would allow me to have seamless connectivity even when my broadband is down. So let's quickly take out the cover and see what all you have inside the box. So this does support 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz band, which is pretty good. And this one also has an option of supporting WAN, which means that you could use a normal internet connection like your ACT FiberNet. And if that is out of use, then it will automatically switch to 4G. So let's keep the router aside. And inside the box you have this power adapter, which is rated at 12 volt 1.5 amp. And that's your DC jack. Let's keep that aside, and then you have the micro SIM card adapter, which means that if you have a nano SIM, you have to place this nano SIM inside this adapter and then push it in, because our router only supports micro SIM card. This is your quick start guide, and then you have, as usual, a LAN cable that you get with your router, and then you have these two 4G external antennas. Yes, you do have a support of attaching external antennas. These are SMA male type connectors. So if you have in the market for any SMA connectors, that's your external antennas, you could use those here. This is how the router looks like. The back you have the LAN ports, and you have one WAN port as well. So does support LAN as well. And here you have the SIM card, your Wi-Fi, WPS, your power button, and your power jack, as well as your antenna connectors. At the back you have the general specification, you have your router information, your password. It has a cool texture with two mounting holes at the front. And if you look through the side, you have this new design. It's just plastic. So the size of the router is pretty sleek, pretty slim. I really loved it. So let's fix those antennas. You just have to screw those in. Now, by the time I'm uploading this video, it's almost been 3 weeks since I'm using this router. I can give you a good example on how things are so far. The router has been trouble-free. There's no frequent disconnection as such. Once it gets connected to the internet, there's no disconnection at all, which is pretty good. And these antennas are adjustable. You could adjust these antennas pointing to the right direction where you get good signals, which is good. And you can also change those antennas. At the top you have this film which covers the glossy finish. It's pretty glossy, fingerprint magnet, and if you keep it on the side, in a day or two you would see the entire front part covered with dust. That's how it's so attractive to dust. If you remember, I had already unboxed this Binatone My Wi-Fi Airtel hotspot. I'll leave the link on the top. You could go check that out. I'm going to take out the SIM card and put this in. As I mentioned, this only supports micro SIM card. You just have to put that in and press it. It will automatically slot in correctly. Now this one does not have any external antennas. As you see in this Archer C6, this has external antennas, but this one does not. It's all built-in antennas. The Wi-Fi strength or the range is pretty less when compared to C6. Now being this 4G router, I bought this because I wanted something dedicated for my 4G use as well. When my ACT broadband is down, I wanted to use this. As soon as you turn on, you have this power symbol which blinks continuously until it boots up. Now, why am I so interested in this 4G Plus is that it does support carrier aggregation, which means that if your location supports usage of two bands, which means that in Airtel in Chennai, it does support band 3 and band 40 carrier aggregation, which means that the router uses two different frequencies to provide you better speeds, which is pretty neat. And then you have to log into your admin page using tplinkmodem.net and use your password. The password will be at the back of the router. I've already configured this device. I just want to quickly show you how the interface looks like. Your general stuff, your general basic stuff, how you get on a normal router is just that along this you have the SIM message options, and then you have the network selection option as well. So on the advanced section, you have the ISP name, you have your SINR value, you have the band to which it's connected. Now, coming to the band, one thing that I wanted to clarify is that this router does not support band selection at this point in time. The router automatically takes the band. It doesn't allow you to change it manually. So as soon as you keep it in 4G only, it would choose its own band based on the availability. That's pretty bad. However, there are some beta versions available on the TP-Link forum where people are using the beta version, which allows to change the band. However, I believe that it should be out in the official firmware as well soon. I hope so, but I'm not sure how far that's going to happen. But for now, I'm using the beta version, which allows me to choose band and also allows you to choose the carrier aggregation, which band does it should support. That's pretty good. For now, I'm just gonna give this as an overview because before I install this beta version, this is the official version where I'm getting this speed 17.3 as download and 22 as upload, because I'm using Vodafone, and I don't think Vodafone supports carrier aggregation at this point in time. I'm not sure about this. Now this speed test is inside my room. However, if I move to the second floor, I get better speeds. I get around 21 Mbps. Now overall guys, I'm pretty happy with this. I can really suggest that you could buy it if you wanted a true wireless 4G modem, and if you have the budget. I hope that you liked it. If you have any questions that you want to ask before you buy it, do leave in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.